Good morning, students. I am Anjali Agrawal, your English teacher of class 4th. Here I am going to tell about the second chapter of English grammar, subject and predicate. Let's start. The part of the sentence that tells us who or what the sentence is about is called the subject. It means sentence का वह पार्ट जो हमें यह बताता है कि सब्जेक्ट क्या है और कौन है, वही सब्जेक्ट होता है. एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस इज कॉल्ड द प्रेडिकेट. और बाकी के जो सेंटेंस होते हैं वो प्रेडिकेट कहलाते हैं. फॉर नोट, द प्रेडिकेट कंटेन्स द वर्ब. प्रेडिकेट हमेशा वर्ब लेता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई सिस्टर लाइक्स टू डांस. द सन वॉज शाइनिंग brightly. Here you can see that I have divided the sentence into two parts, subject and predicate. It means my sister is subject and likes to dance is predicate. The sun is subject and the rest of the sentence was shining brightly is predicate. So now we must have to know the rules of the subject and predicate. The first, in most sentences, the subject usually comes before the verb. ज़्यादातर sentences में subject हमेशा verb के पहले आता है. For example, my coat is red. You have broken my pencil. Here you can see that my coat is subject and is red. Here is verb is coming with predicate. In next sentence, you is subject and have broken my pencil is predicate. And next, in imperative sentences, the subject is hidden. Imperative sentences में subject हमेशा छिपा हुआ होता है, means वो दिखाई नहीं देता. For example, please sit down. Here you can see that you is hidden. In next sentence, don't make a noise. Here you is also hidden. In exclamatory sentences, the subject comes before the verb. Exclamatory sentences में subject हमेशा verb के पहले आता है. For example, what a great singer she is. Here you can see that she is subject and is, that is verb, is coming after the subject. In interrogative sentences, the subject comes after the verb. और क्वेश्चन वाले जो sentences होते हैं उसमें subject हमेशा verb के बाद आता है. For example, are you ready to go? Where are the cupcakes? Here you can see that you, that is subject, and are, that is verb, is coming before the subject, and the cupcakes is subject and are, that is verb, is coming before the subject. So it's time to home assignment. Have a nice day.